Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about feet care guys, because this is the area of our body which is more prone to tanning, cracking and dryness. So this is the pedicure which just include raw milk, and this is super simple guys. This is going to provide you beautiful, supple and soft feet. And also, if you aren't a part of family yet, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and be a part of Beauty Squad, and we are going to get into the video guys. And here I'm going to take half a liter of milk, and here I'm taking full cream milk as I need it to moisturize my feet. And then I'm going to add a mug of lukewarm water into this milk. And after that I am going to dip my feet into this solution. And here guys, please forgive me for this tanning because I am not trying to concentrate on the darkening of my feet. Here in this video I am just be focusing on removing the dead skin cells from my feet area. And you need to dip your feet into this for 5 minutes. After that I am taking baking soda here, and I'm going to lathe my feet with the baking soda as it helps in exfoliating the dead skin cells and helps in removing all the impurities you have over your feet. So all you need to do is take a little amount on your fingertips and start moving your fingertips in circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes. Just make sure that you concentrate on the harder areas you have over your feet, and do not be too harsh with this. And here I'm doing the same procedure on my other feet as well. Baking soda helps in skin exfoliation guys. It helps in removing all the dead skin cells accumulation, which thereby leads to cracking of heels. And after you do that, just make sure that you pay extra attention to your heels as well, and keep rubbing it for 30 seconds to 1 minute. After that I'm going to put my feet back into this, and I'm going to wait for 2 to 5 minutes. Here guys, I have taken a pumic stone and I'm going to rub my heels with this so that all the dead skin cells can be removed properly. As this mixture has made my skin extra soft, silky and very smooth, doing this is going to remove all the other impurities and dead skin cells I have over. Be little gentle on the upper skin, and after that I am taking lukewarm water to wash the mixture off, and this has really made a great difference guys. This has removed all the dead skin cells accumulation and a little cracked heels all I had. Even if you have more of them, it is really going to help you guys, and you can do it once or twice a week and you are going to see the difference for yourself. As you guys can see in the video, it has really made my feet super smooth. So guys, this is it for this video, and if you have any queries related to this, let me know in the comments down below. And if you aren't the part of family yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel now and hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. And also make sure to hit that like button if you like my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. So guys, this is the pedicure which mainly focuses on the so guys, this is the remedy. So guys, this is more concerned about dryness and cracking of your heels, which is the lower part of your feet. So guys,